Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the future with our countdown of the top 10 coolest tech gadgets that are truly incredible. If you're a tech enthusiast or just love cutting-edge gear, you're in for a treat. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. 10. Base's Power Bank. The Base's Power Bank is a versatile and high-performance portable charger designed to keep your devices powered up on the go. Renowned for its sleek design and robust functionality, this power bank offers a reliable solution for charging smartphones, tablets, and other electronic gadgets. Featuring a high-capacity battery, the Base's power bank ensures multiple charges for your devices, making it ideal for travel, outdoor activities, or busy workdays. Its compact and lightweight design allows for easy portability, fitting comfortably in your bag or pocket without adding significant bulk. The power bank is equipped with advanced charging technology, including fast charging capabilities, which help to quickly replenish your device's batteries and minimize downtime. The Base's power bank typically includes multiple USB ports, enabling simultaneous charging of several devices. This feature adds convenience, especially when traveling with multiple gadgets. 9. Climbing Trolley Bag. The climbing trolley bag is an essential accessory for avid climbers and outdoor enthusiasts who need a practical and efficient way to transport their gear. Designed for durability and convenience, this trolley bag features a rugged construction that can withstand the harsh conditions of climbing environments. Its robust wheels and telescoping handle allow for easy maneuverability across various terrains, whether you're navigating rocky trails or smooth paved paths. The bag offers ample storage space with multiple compartments and pockets to organize your climbing gear, including ropes, harnesses, carabiners, and climbing shoes. 8. TriDesign's Portable Desk for Sofa and Bed. The TriDesign's portable desk is a versatile and practical solution designed to enhance your productivity and comfort while working or relaxing at home. Engineered for use on sofas and beds, this innovative desk offers a convenient workspace that adapts to your lifestyle. Its adjustable height and angle settings allow for ergonomic positioning, ensuring that you can work or use your laptop comfortably without straining your back or neck. The sturdy frame and durable surface are built to support a range of devices, from laptops to tablets, and the compact design makes it easy to store when not in use. With its sleek and modern appearance, the TriDesign's portable desk blends seamlessly with various home decors, adding both functionality and style to your living space. Whether you're working from home, studying, or simply enjoying leisure activities. 7. LED phone cases. LED phone cases have become a popular accessory for adding a touch of personality and functionality to smartphones. These cases feature built-in LED lights that can illuminate in various ways, enhancing both aesthetics and usability. Many LED phone cases are designed to provide notification alerts, lighting up to signal incoming calls, messages, or app notifications, so you don't miss important updates even when your phone is face down. Some cases also offer customizable lighting options, allowing users to choose from a range of colors and patterns to match their mood or style. Additionally, certain LED cases come equipped with selfie lighting, which can help achieve better photo quality by providing even and flattering illumination. Interactive LED cases can sync with music or sound, creating a dynamic light show that pulses or changes in response to the audio. When selecting an LED phone case, it's important to consider factors such as compatibility with your specific phone model, the case's durability and protection features, and battery life, as the LED lights require power. Overall, LED phone cases combine visual appeal with practical benefits, making them a stylish and functional choice for enhancing your smartphone experience. 6. Beast Turn Indicators. Beast Turn indicators are designed to enhance the safety and visibility of your vehicle, ensuring that your signaling is both effective and attention-grabbing. These high-performance indicators are engineered to provide a clear and bright signal to other drivers, reducing the risk of accidents by making your intentions more visible. Featuring advanced LED technology, Beast Turn indicators offer a high-intensity light output that cuts through various weather conditions and times of day, ensuring maximum visibility. The sleek and durable design of these indicators ensures they can withstand the rigors of daily driving and harsh environmental conditions. They are often designed with customizable features to match different vehicle aesthetics and personal preferences, allowing for a blend of functionality and style. 5. Guardian Alarm Wireless with Remote. The Guardian Alarm Wireless with Remote is a cutting-edge security system tailored specifically for bicycles, offering robust protection against theft and tampering. This advanced alarm system is designed to be both lightweight and durable, making it ideal for mounting on various types of bikes without adding unnecessary bulk. The system features a wireless design that simplifies installation and eliminates the need for cumbersome wiring. It includes a compact, high-decibel alarm that activates if motion is detected, providing an audible deterrent to potential thieves. The remote control allows you to easily arm or disarm the alarm from a distance, adding convenience and quick access to the security system while you're on the go. With its intuitive setup, the Guardian Alarm Wireless can be quickly attached to your bicycle frame or other secure locations. 4. Switch Kit for Bicycle. The Switch Kit for Bicycles is an innovative and user-friendly conversion system that transforms your regular bike into an electric-powered ride. Ideal for those looking to add an extra boost to their cycling experience, the Switch Kit offers a seamless way to integrate electric assistance without needing a complete e-bike upgrade. The kit typically includes a compact, lightweight motor that fits onto the front wheel of your bike, along with a battery pack and control unit. The motor is designed to provide reliable power and support, making it easier to tackle hills, longer distances, or simply enjoy a more effortless ride. The battery pack is usually designed to be sleek and unobtrusive, often mounting on the handlebars or within a dedicated frame bag, ensuring minimal impact on the bike's aesthetics and handling. With the Switch Kit often designed for compatibility with a wide range of bicycle types and sizes. 3. Ultra Zoom Binoculars. Ultra Zoom binoculars are engineered to deliver exceptional clarity and versatility, making them an ideal choice for a wide range of outdoor activities and observations. These high-performance binoculars feature advanced zoom capabilities, allowing users to magnify distant subjects with impressive detail and precision. The Ultra Zoom function typically offers a broad range of magnification options, enabling quick adjustments to focus on objects at varying distances, from distant wildlife to distant landscapes. 2. Superon Wearable Bluetooth Speaker. The Superon Wearable Bluetooth Speaker is a cutting-edge device designed to offer portable and hands-free audio experiences, combining the functionality of a speaker with the convenience of wearable technology. This innovative speaker is crafted for users who want to enjoy high-quality sound while staying active, whether they're exercising, hiking, or simply on the move. The Superon Wearable Bluetooth speaker can be comfortably worn around the neck or clipped to clothing, ensuring that your music or calls are always within easy reach. The wearable aspect is particularly useful for those who want to stay engaged with their surroundings while enjoying their favorite tunes or podcasts. The speaker delivers impressive sound quality with clear, balanced audio and adequate bass, thanks to advanced acoustic technology. It typically includes Bluetooth connectivity for seamless pairing with smartphones, tablets, or other devices, allowing for wireless audio streaming. Some models also offer built-in microphones for hands-free calling and voice commands, adding an extra layer of functionality. 1. AceMagic AM18 Mini Gaming PC. The AceMagic AM18 Mini Gaming PC is a compact yet powerful machine designed to deliver a robust gaming experience in a small form factor. Despite its diminutive size, the AM18 packs significant processing power, making it an excellent choice for gamers who want high performance without the bulk of a traditional gaming desktop. The AM18 typically features a high-performance CPU and GPU combination, capable of handling modern games with impressive graphics and smooth gameplay. Its compact design does not compromise on performance. It often includes ample RAM and fast storage options, such as SSD to ensure quick load times and efficient multitasking. One of the standout features of the AceMagic AM18 is its versatility. The mini PC is generally equipped with a range of connectivity options, including multiple USB ports, HDMI outputs, and Ethernet, allowing you to easily connect peripherals, monitors, and networks. And there you have it, our top 10 coolest tech gadgets that are truly incredible. Which one of these gadgets blew your mind? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech updates, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.